Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zari and you guys are watching Finance Square. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 5G technology as to why this is possibly one of the most exciting sector, and most likely guys you have been using or you're going to be using this technology one way or another. Now, one of the best way for you guys to support this channel is to subscribe, leave me a comment and let me know what other sector you guys want me to cover. Now, before we explain what is 5G, let's start from the beginning. Now, I'm sure you guys remember back in the days we used to have this chunky mobile phone and just have those numbers, and that was the first 1G generation. And then you have the second G, which was probably the iconic phone that you will probably remember, is the Nokia phone, where you're able to actually just send SMS and basically if you call people you're able to get whenever someone calls you can see actually the number and probably play Snake if you used to have a Nokia phone at the time. The third generation was probably came about when we had more and more new players, let's say like the Android phone that came out, and you're able to even download apps to play games, and you obviously have the iPhone. So the 3G basically gives you the ability to surf on the internet and also to be mobile, have access to the internet, which was amazing at the time. Even trying to watch certain videos, again not at the best speed possible, I still have this option. Now every sector, every generation really brought completely new opportunity, new apps, new sector that was possible prior to this generation. And then obviously you have the 4G generation, which literally high speed internet. If before for you guys to be able to watch a movie you really need to spend maybe 4 hours downloading a movie on your phone, on your tablet, today you can literally download the full movie or series within like 5-7 minutes. Now this is everything really help different sector. We couldn't really have a Netflix if we didn't have a proper 4G. We couldn't have all this gaming app or Fortnite and all these games that are people are playing on the phone if you didn't have a smartphone that has a 4G capability. So every generation really helped the industry, and if it's gaming industry, if it's security industry, if it's all this app for photoshopping your image, all this generation really help excel multiple sector, really make this sector every generation a multi-billion or trillion dollars. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at 5G, breaking down, understanding what is a 5G, what sector are looking at, what is the potential, what is the return. So let's try to define what is 5G. So 5G basically is the following generation after the first, second, third, and fourth generation. And obviously this technology will come with feature of high-speed data transmission, enhanced availability, more network capacity, increased reliability, and better user experience because of high speed and efficiency. So this is basically what is 5G. Now let's see what are these industry potential. So by 2020 the 5G industry is at $5.5 billion, but this is predicted by 2026 the market will be valued of $667 billion, which means an increase of 122%, which is insane. Now, if you want to look what is the impact of global economy of 5G, the full economy impact of 5G is likely to realize around 2035. All right, so we're talking in 10-15 years, and this will bring many new players to the market, and there'll be service and good link with 5G that will be worth up to $13.1 trillion. Again, not billion, $13 trillion. Now try to think about it. So we're gonna have probably healthcare, cars, smart building, smart cities, smart cars, smart everything, and all of it will be running on the 5G, and this will potentially generate support up to 23 million jobs. This is why this sector is very important for many countries. If it's for China, if it's for the US, everyone wants to be the leading country of 5G. Now, obviously, as I said, what's going to be driving the growth of 5G? Obviously, we say driverless car to be really autonomous. They need to have a stable internet connection, which that's what 5G can actually deliver. And obviously, this can be really speed up and boost this whole driverless car, smart city technology, and obviously the healthcare, entertainment. So today, obviously, we are all enjoying the ability for us to watch series, watch movie on the go. But I guess with stronger and better internet connection, maybe we're even gonna have a better quality. So maybe having 4K, we're gonna have super 4K resolution, for example. Now, if you are looking to invest in 5G, there's obviously multiple options. You can obviously invest in 5G stock technology. And if you are an accredited investor and you have invested in startup, maybe looking at pre-IPO companies that are related or somehow connected to the 5G revolution. So this will be an option for you guys. And the other option to literally to invest in different funds that are targeting 5G vertical companies, basically. So if you look here, this is based on eToro 5G technology COVID portfolio. We can see that in 2020, this sector, based on their company they have selected, generated around 12% a year. And in 2021, so far, it generated 8.86 up to April. We are now in end of May, for example. And if you look at the average between 2017 and 2020, there was a yearly gain of 7%. Obviously, if you look here, there was in 2018, there was a drawdown of almost 10%. But overall, this sector seemed to be growing steadily. And based on all the numbers, this sector is supposed to be very big. Now, if you guys are using a mobile phone, if you guys are watching a movie, it's thanks to the 4G revolution. It's thanks to, if you guys are playing all this game, it's thanks to 4G. Now imagine 5G. Imagine you'll be able to play VR, virtual reality, and all this will be probably possible with 5G. Now, if you want to read more about it, I'll leave all information in the description below. And that's it. Until next time, bye bye.